Yeah, you already know what it is. What's up with y'all? It's your boy back again with another unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Got some heat for y'all this time. So we ain't gonna waste a lot of time. We're gonna get right into the situation. Today we got the I think these should be my RS fastest. Yes, sir. Puma is on point with the situation. Love is love. We got another green box. Y'all see the forum strip? Facts. And RS fast, black, electric green, high risk red. They one of the older models, but size 13, still fire, dope as shit. Check them out. They released like maybe a year or two ago, but I just happened to be able to get my hands on them recently for a good ass price, so it is what it is. Oh my. Oh my. Y'all see him. Talk heavy. Talk heavy. These shit's clean. Nice ass midsole, underbottom. That's dope. They got that little Puma right there on the front and shit. Shit's fire. Black rope laces. RS tongue. John's fire. Fucking with them. Leather, mesh. Super dope, man. Super fucking dope. Definitely glad to have these in the collection. Seeing another fire ass edition. Facts. We lit. Running system on the tongue and shit. Running system on the side. The Puma logo right there and shit. Show's dope as shit, bro. Nice little. I think they more neutral, so you know, even though they got a lot of colors, they easy to play with a bunch of shit. You know what I mean? Because they primary colors and shit. So except for that green, it's kind of wild. But other than that, yeah, dope as shit, man. So yeah, Puma RS Fast, electro green colorway. Big lip.